Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to set up IPTV on Firestick and Android devices. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. For Firestick, go to Settings on your Firestick home screen, then select My Fire TV and Developer Options. Enable ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Return to the home screen and search for Downloader. Install the app. Open Downloader, enter the IPTV app URL, like TVMate or Smart IPTV, and click Go to download. Once downloaded, click Install and open the app. Add your IPTV provider details, M3 link or login credentials. For Android, open the Google Play Store, search for your IPTV app, e.g., TVMate, Smart IPTV, and install it. Open the app and enter your IPTV provider details, M3, link, or credentials. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.